What's up, guys? Grumpy cat here! Grumpy cat here! And today we'll be doing. I'm just doing a stupid video right now. See this marker? I'm just gonna put it on and I love this. It's so weird. Kind of weird. Look at myself in the mirror. Cool. You gotta let it go. These bolts. That's how they go. The eyes, and now we're gonna do eyebrows. Or eyelids. I know, guys, I look stupid, right? Look at. Oh, look. Just wipe that off. That just looked weird. It looks so weird. Guys, yeah, I look weird, don't I? Yeah. Let's just do this whole thing. Let's do a whole. Oh my god. Oh god. Hey. Look. Guys, I'm done. I'm gonna wipe this off after, but yeah, this is my final look. My final look. Hi. Okay. Bye, guys. I'm gonna wash this off. Actually, you go. Bye, guys. Bye.